Embarking on a savings journey, buckle up because we're about to turn your financial aspirations into a thrilling adventure. Whether you're aiming for those big financial goals or just craving stability, we've got the roadmap to guide you. Picture this: a well-planned budget and a rock-solid financial foundation, giving you the confidence to tackle unexpected expenses, secure your retirement, and continue living the lifestyle you've always dreamed of. But here's the secret sauce: setting goals not only gives direction to your future, but also lets you stay in the driver's seat of your savings journey. Ready to supercharge your savings game? Subscribe now and join us on this financial adventure. We'll be sharing tips, tricks, and insights to turbocharge your savings journey. The right mindset. Many people view saving their first $100,000 as a longer-term goal that calls for some discipline rather than something they want to accomplish quickly. There could be a multitude of factors for your attempt to hoard $100,000. You must mentally train yourself to get there. It can be beneficial to keep your specific objective in mind, but you also need to know how to use a strategy to get there. This is the perfect moment to start budgeting or keeping track of your costs if you are not currently doing so. Making a budget can improve your outlook. Create a budget that is focused on reaching your objective. Remember that small things have a cumulative effect. Extra money can be saved by cutting back on your daily Starbucks habit or by using public transit a few days a week rather than your car. Getting your thoughts and finances in order can enable you to identify potential sources of additional income. The journey will be easier if you realize that these are small sacrifices you must make in order to reach your objective. Keep costs low. The items you spend money on make up a large portion of a budget. You may always take steps to reduce your expenses. Some further instances are as follows. Preparing more meals at home. When feasible, walk short distances instead than driving a car. Bringing your children to a park or zoo instead of the neighborhood mall. Purchasing food in bulk for the entire month as opposed to making little purchases often. Quitting smoking and other expensive habits. Bringing a lunch to work. Driving your car until it is no longer functional. Purchasing a less costly home. Relocating to a smaller home or purchasing a more fuel-efficient vehicle might have a profound impact on certain individuals. Move smaller if you are renting a huge space in order to save money. Construct a home gym if your fitness expenditures are substantial. Increasing awareness of energy use can also be very beneficial. Prior to purchasing new, try to recycle and reuse products as much as you can. Use alternative energy sources to heat and light your house as well. Large-scale downsizing can save you hundreds or even thousands of dollars while maintaining a very comfortable standard of living. Reduce your interest burden. Another effective strategy to cut costs and increase the amount of money you have available for savings is to reduce your interest load. The house, car, garage, home theater system, dishwasher, and double-door refrigerator are all desired by many people. It might be achievable online with a few simple keystrokes. However, it turns out that getting satisfaction right now frequently comes with a high cost that can take years to pay off and possibly shorten your life. The first crucial step in conserving money is to prioritize debt reduction. Make it your top priority to pay off your student loan debt before making any lifestyle changes if you recently graduated from college or graduate school. For the rest of you, examine every loan you have and estimate how long it will take you to pay them off. You can liquidate part of your savings or fixed deposits if you do have them in order to lower your debt load. Consider paying off loans in advance to lower your interest rate if you receive a bonus or dividend. If you have credit card debt, speak with your credit card company and try to work out a reduced interest rate. Look into debt transfer programs. Some may provide 0% APR for a limited time. Consider consolidation as well. You may be able to obtain a debt consolidation loan with a single monthly payment and a low interest rate if your income is coming in consistently and you maintain your credit score. Make sure your return on investment surpasses your interest payments if you are taking out a new loan, possibly for an investment. In order to increase your investment with better returns, you can also be able to investigate margin accounts. Invest in savvy vehicles and products. After determining a few ways to increase your savings and committing to a savings amount in your budget, you'll want to make sure the money is invested wisely. It can be a good idea to work with a financial advisor or to delve deeper into resources that assist you in managing your investments. Save on taxes. Tax havens are among the first areas that many larger investors search. Through the benefit packages that your employer offers, these may be readily available to you. Benefit plans come in a variety of forms, most of which include tax advantages. Municipal bonds and a conventional individual retirement account (IRA) are two other tax-sheltered possibilities. Appropriately manage your risks. As with any investment, there is a risk involved in reaching $100,000. Investments with greater risk should yield larger profits, but risk-reward ratios can also be crucial. Initial public offerings, IPOs, Penny companies that are just getting started and popular industries like technology can all yield significant returns quickly. Conversely, premium corporate bonds have the potential to yield consistent and substantial returns. Maximize employee benefits. Benefits for employees might be more beneficial than you think. To benefit from the free money, make the most of your employer's matching contribution options. Take advantage of any additional perks your business may offer, such as exclusive pricing at shops, museums, and fitness centers. To further reduce medical expenses, use a health savings account if one is available. If your business offers subsidized possibilities for skill enhancement or back-to-school programs, don't miss out on them. Create short-term saving goals. Naturally, the road to $100,000 is not as short as the $1 to $10,000. Short-term objectives are quite beneficial because this can occasionally feel a little overwhelming. While it may be nice to picture oneself in a new rural house after retirement, it might not inspire you to take action right now. Divide your long-term savings objectives into short-term ones if you want to stay highly motivated. One dry cleaner, for instance, made the decision to set aside a modest amount of change each day for his daughter's college fund. He began when she was 5 years old and didn't stop until she was 18. His work and daily life were unaffected by setting aside a small amount of money, but by the time his daughter was ready to attend college, he had saved a sizable amount. And think about the math. It might be rather inspiring to know that saving $1,000 a month can get you to $100,000 in just 6 years. This encouragement can help you resist the temptation to buy the new BMW and stay within your budget. Generate additional income. The other essential element of your personal budget is your income. Discovering methods to increase your income will also enable you to meet your $100,000 target more quickly. Do you teach, sew, or engage in any other craft? These are a few pastimes that can bring in extra cash. You may sell your crafts at the weekend market or work as a child tutor for a few hours each week. You might also look for odd jobs or freelance labor. Never let any of your abilities or talents to go unutilized. Additionally, your free time can be quite beneficial. You can use these to increase your income and use it toward your $100,000 target. The bottom line: there are numerous factors to take into account when trying to accumulate $100,000. You should consider your anticipated time horizon, your accessible investment options, and the dangers you are prepared to accept in exchange for your profits. You can get back on track by taking an objective look at your monthly budget, or if you haven't already, by making one. Maintaining a disciplined mentality and plan will be essential. The pennies will add up if you create and follow a customized plan. A lot of people can realistically accomplish this goal in as little as 6 years, which enables you to advance to the next $100,000 and even put you on the path to becoming a millionaire much more quickly. And that concludes our journey to the coveted $100,000 milestone. Congratulations on embarking on this financial adventure with us. If you found these tips on saving, budgeting, and investing helpful, give us a thumbs up, hit subscribe for more money-savvy content, and share your thoughts in the comments below.